Relationship between politics, governance and development. Three elements which are very important, which are interconnected. First of all, we'll see what we mean by politics here. Politics, as you know, is defined as the activities associated with the governance of a country or area, especially the debate between parties having power. Also defined as the activities of governments concerning the political relations between states. At individual level, when we talk about politics, we refer to the former sense. Politics is about power and distribution of power and resources and opportunities. Governance, directly related with politics here, the action or manner of governing a state or organization, etc. It can also be seen as the activity of governing a country or controlling a company or an organization, the way in which a country is governed or a company or institution is controlled. तो आपने देखा कि पॉलिटिक्स और गवर्नेंस रिलेटेड हैं. गवर्नेंस निज़ाम चलाने से मुतल्लिक है, पॉलिटिक्स शायद सियासी फैसले हैं और फैसला साजी है. Governance is about the interaction of the state and non-state actors for formulating and implementing policies in accordance with the rules and principles designed by the politicians, that is, who are in power. So हम देखते हैं कि पॉलिटिक्स में नज़रियात मौजूद हैं, फ़ैसला साजी मौजूद है, और जब हम फ़ैसला साजी करते हैं, अपने नज़रियात को नाफिज करते हैं, तो उनका निफाज कैसे होगा और निज़ाम कैसे चलेगा, इसका ताल्लुक गवर्नेंस के साथ है. And the third thing is related development. Development, you know, is the gradual growth of something so that it becomes more advanced and stronger, etc. Social or national development would mean the growth and progress that makes the society or the nation stronger and more advanced. The development takes place in all spheres, whether social or economic. So, we see that these are three very important major elements: politics, governance, and development. And they are interrelated. Politics, governance, and development are interlinked. Each one can affect the others. We strive for development. The nation strives for development. Our decisions about the nature of development, or priorities for development, and the means and routes to development are affected by the prevalent politics in the society. Development कैसे होगी, कितनी होगी, कहाँ होगी, कौन करेगा, कैसे करेगा, ये फैसला साजी जो है, इसमें पॉलिटिशियंस का किरदार है, और इसके अमल में और इसके नफाज में गवर्नेंस का रोल है. The development goals are attained through the system of governance. Therefore, the participation of women in all spheres at all levels is of paramount importance for development and empowerment of women. So, हम ये देखते हैं कि अगर इस अमल के अंदर ख़वातीन को हम शामिल कर लें सियासी अमल में भी, तो डेवलपमेंट में उसके खुद ब खुद मस्बत असरात हमें दिखाई देंगे, क्योंकि औरतें अपनी इसमें राय देंगी और फैसला साजी में अपनी भी जो प्रायोरिटीज़ हैं या तरजीहात हैं वो बता सकेंगी. The desired goals of development are achieved through an interplay of politics and governance. Women's active participation can lead to positive outcomes in terms of women empowerment. So, हम देखते हैं कि अगर ख़वातीन सियासी अमल का हिस्सा होंगी तो खुद ब खुद गवर्नेंस में भी शायद उनका अमल दखल होगा. अगर वो गवर्नेंस के अमल का भी हिस्सा बन जाएंगी तो खुद ब खुद वो डेवलपमेंट के अमल में भी शमूलियत हासिल कर सकेंगी. अगर डेवलपमेंट के बारे में फ़ैसला साजी में उनकी राय शामिल हो जाएगी तो उसका नतीजा, एक मस्बत नतीजा जो है वो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की सूरत में हमें दिखाई देगा.